I'm going to show you everything you need in order to make money with this truck. Ours is a 5-foot bed, and this one's a refrigerator. So this one, we're going to take it out. Once we deliver it, we got to let them know that they got to let it stand upright for 24 hours before they run it. We got another Home Depot run that we're about to go get. I'm not sure what it is, but I know it's heavy. And we're in the trusty Nissan Frontier Pro X.
Yeah, there's love, there's hate, lies and games, faith.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today this video is for all my new Nissan Frontier owners and old Nissan Frontier owners, as well as truck owners, I would say. Because this video is for if you have a truck, and for me, I have a 2025 Nissan Frontier Pro X, and I'm going to show you how I use it to make money, and hopefully I'll be able to help you guys make money with your trucks as well. So I'm gonna actually first jump into a couple gigs that I've done recently with this truck, just to kind of show you what it's capable of, and you know, even with a 5-foot bed, I want to show you how I make money with it, and then I'm going to give you guys from the experience that I've gotten with this truck and with doing gig work using a truck. I'm going to try to give you guys the best advice on how you can make money with your truck. So without further ado, let's go. All right, so we got another Home Depot run that we're about to go get. I'm not sure what it is, but I know it's heavy, and we're in the trusty Nissan Frontier Pro X. So let's go get this thing and see what it is, and hopefully the Frontier will be able to handle it. Let's see. All right, so turns out it was just a toilet. So I don't know if you can see, yeah, just a toilet there, and not that heavy, but as you see, the Frontier handles it easily, no problem whatsoever. So yeah, man, let's go out and get another one done. This job, it's like, it's not that far. It's, I think, like 5 miles, and it pays like 21 bucks. So my rule that I use when I'm doing these things is I don't accept anything unless it's $20 or more, and I try to keep the miles short. So this one, they're paying you a little bit more because it's heavier, and that's pretty much why, you know, it's a few miles. I think it's like 4 or 5 miles altogether, and 21 bucks, I'll take it. But yeah, man, let's go. So we got another one out in the 2025 Nissan Frontier Pro X. Ours is a 5-foot bed, and this one's a refrigerator. So this one, we're gonna take it out. Once we deliver it, we gotta let them know that they gotta let it stand upright for 24 hours before they run it because of how it's being transported. But yeah, so this gig pays like 25 bucks. It's about 5 miles. And these are the type of jobs that I like to do if it's close by near the house, so I'm not wasting that much money on gas. Decent pay, and if you can get enough of these in, so if you do like 10 of these, that's a quick 200, you know, something dollars. So yeah, man, it makes sense. So hopefully you guys are learning from this, and you know, hopefully it could benefit you guys if you need to make a little extra money every day. Yep, so as I called it, it was a TV, and this one is a Philips 75-incher. So yeah, I kind of figured it was going to be a TV, but yeah, man, the Frontier gets it done. No issues, no problems. Frontier for the win. Let's go. So now the great thing that I love about my Nissan Frontier is that after doing gigs like that, I just got through doing all those gigs, I'm about to head home. I needed to get some stuff for the house, and I'll show you. It's amazing that I could fit all of this back here in the back of in the second row. Well, obviously it's only 2 rows, but yeah, in the back seat, I could fit all this in here, and I'll show you. I packed everything smart. I had to get laundry detergent and stuff to wash the car and windshield wiper fluid and all that stuff. Fit in the back there perfectly. I don't have to adjust my seat, so I sit where I sit. And if you guys were wondering how I was able to lift up that refrigerator and the toilet and all that heavy stuff, I'm able to lift it up out of here. I strap it down. I have my strap tools underneath there, and my dolly right there, or my hand truck as some people call it. So I'm able to just pull out my hand truck, grab whatever I gotta go, and yeah, man, that's how we get it done. But actually, I'll actually get back to the house and I'll show you guys all the tools you need if you're going to be using your truck like this to make money. So yeah, let's get back to the house and we'll finish this up. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to show you everything you need in order to make money with this truck. And these are the things that I recommend. So first thing I'm going to show you is you need to get a dolly or a hand truck, as some people might call it. So I got this portable hand truck here. I'll lay it down here so you guys can see. You can raise it up like so, extend the arms out like that, and bam, you got a full working hand truck or dolly right there. So yeah, that's the hand truck. You definitely need that. Another thing I recommend is, pull this down. So yeah, the good thing about the Frontier is that we got storage pretty much everywhere. You get a nice moving blanket just in case you need it. So you got your moving blanket there. Let me I'll toss that in the back for now and raise this up so you can raise up this seat here. And then you need your tie down straps. So I got 2 tie down straps there. I got little bungee cords so you can use bungee cords. I have my tire inflator here just in case, you know, you need that. So the good thing about our Frontiers is that we got great storage in the back there, and these are pretty much the tools you need. So you're gonna need your strap downs, your bungee cords. I have little cloths and stuff, and tire inflation device, and obviously we have the jack and all of that in the back there as well, and moving blanket. So let me put the moving blanket back. All right, make sure this is all right. So oh yeah, and hand truck. So we got those there, and then on the opposite side, something else that you're absolutely going to need is gloves. So you need working gloves. Also got jumper cables there just in case. So those are pretty much the tools that I need in order to make money with this truck. And obviously it has tie downs in the back there, and you can also put them up on the rails there. It's an awesome truck. Like it has also an inverter in case you're using it to do any type of construction work and stuff. So this is just me. There's lots of different ways to utilize this truck, but I'm going to tell you like how I make money with it, and why I went this route is because I didn't want to do anything too crazy. And obviously I'm not as skilled as some of you guys. Some of you guys may be electricians or plumbers and stuff like that. And for those of you that do like all the heavy duty things, then I recommend something like this. The 2025 and 2026 Chevrolet Express cargo van. So you can do like the heavier duty things with that, but this is like for the people like me that are just regular Joes that just want to make some money on the side, or if you want to do this full time, you can, because there is like good money in it. So the number one thing that I would recommend is that will probably pay the most money is doing haulaways. So let's say you're part of a neighborhood, you could sign up for like, there's neighborhood groups and stuff where you could pretty much advertise your services within the neighborhood. And that actually works. Like every neighborhood, well, not every, but most neighborhoods would have a sign up where you could sign up for the group of your neighborhood and basically advertise your services. Say, hey, I have a truck if you guys need haul-away services. This is my info, and you can go, and then all you have to do then is just figure out where your nearest landfill or dumpster area, you know, place where you can go dump trash and stuff like that. Figure out what that is. If it's close to where you live and it's not that far of a drive, and you can do that, then you can do haulaways, and then just go take them, you know, pick up people things that trash that they want to get rid of, and you can go ahead and dump it. And that pays really, really well. You'd be surprised how well that pays. And a good thing to have for that is the other tool you might need is towing hitch on the back there, which ours came with it. So having the towing hitch and being able to do haulaways, you could, if you can fit them in the back here, or if you need a trailer, then you can do that. Do haulaways. That does really good money. And from there, you can do like what I do and resort to apps, doing app deliveries and stuff. So some of the good apps that you can use is, well, I'll tell you like the two highest paying ones. The two highest paying ones that I've seen is GoShare, as well as Curry and Bungee. But then there's also Roadie, and there's Moving Helper. There's a bunch of apps out there that you just kind of got to look and see what's good for your area. I also know Uber have deliveries, so you can do deliveries through Uber. Just select the delivery side. And then there's also Sparks. I know people make really good money with Sparks as well. So there's tons of different apps that you guys can use. There's also Expedite, SendPex. Like, these are all apps that you guys can use, and you just got to see whether they're onboarding in your area, and if they are, sign up for them and you can use them to do gigs. And I'll go post some of the gigs that I've done with this truck so you guys can see what it's capable of. So I'll switch over to that now. We got another heavy load out in the Frontier. We got some lumber and some concrete. Right, now we got two pickups. We got two TVs, all right, and they fit in the back there. I'm about to go get my straps, strap it down. That's my dolly that I'll use to head southwest. Here we go. Get this, get my little strap right there. Go strap it down and we're good to go. We got another one lock and loaded on the Frontier and we're off. Let's go. Yeah, so another good app that you guys can use that is actually really, really good is Dolly or TaskRabbit. So with those, I think that's probably the highest paying one, to be honest with you. Like, if you could get on with them, like I've done gigs where it was just like $200 for one gig, $100 for one gig. So you do 2 or 3 of those gigs a day and you're making pretty good money, you know? So those are, and what I would recommend doing is find the app or the company that does the most, that is the busiest in your neighborhood, because with gas prices being up the way it is, then what you want to do is get something where there's a lot of local deliveries and kind of stay local. If you can stay local and do like what I do, like I only accept gigs if it's $20 or more. So, you know, and short mileage. So if it's not that many miles and it's $20 or more, you do a couple gigs a day, you can average 150 to 300 a day, and that should be good enough to get most people by if you can do that. And then there's also custom gigs. You can, you know, like I said, if you advertise in your neighborhood and let people know that you have a truck and that you're willing to put in the work, because a lot of this takes a lot of sweat equity. So if you're willing to put in the work, the time and the effort, you can really use this truck to make a lot of money. And then the cool thing is you can go ahead and park it in your garage right afterwards. And it's cool, like you guys see, like I take all the tools I need. And it still works as like a vehicle that I can take my family places and stuff like that. So that's what makes this truck really special to me, is that I can use it to make money. I can take my family wherever. I could fit 3 car seats in the back there, and it's also fun to drive. So it's kind of like the best of all worlds. But that's pretty much it for this one, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Hopefully this video is very helpful to you guys, because I know for me, when I first got this truck, I didn't even know how to make money. I didn't know. I was just like, I know I can use a truck to make money, but I didn't really know how. So I figured I would make this video to help you guys, you know, that were like me, that were clueless, that didn't have any notion on how to make money with your truck. This is something you can do, and these apps are very helpful. You can use them nationwide and make really good money. But that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Race Car Friends out. So the wife reminded me that we forgot toilet paper. So I had to go back in there and get toilet paper, but it's not a problem. Look at that. Fits in the back of the Frontier easily, even behind my seat. Able to get all the groceries and stuff that we needed. Well, not really groceries, but the stuff that we needed, mostly cleaning stuff and the storage stuff. And yeah, we out. Let's